Alright, so you live in India and you've been playing PUBG PC Lite using a VPN for some time now and you like the game. And today's going to be good news for you because PUBG PC Lite launches in India officially with official servers, so you no longer have to use a VPN. And in this video, let's talk about how to download the game, install it, what kind of computer or laptop do you need, what kind of specs is required to actually play the game and have a good experience. And also we'll talk about why PUBG PC Lite has been launched, because there's already PUBG Mobile and PUBG PC, the main game, on Steam. And why is this free version here on PC, and some features of the game and how it gets its inspiration, and also some tips and tricks maybe if you guys can stick around till the end. Also, if you're interested in PC gaming and tech related content, unboxing, smartphone reviews and things like that, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And that being said, let's get started. So starting off, the first thing is going to be downloading and installing the game in your computer. So you can click the link down below. It's going to be simple, and you click the big download button. Also, before downloading, if you're living out of India, it will be a good thing to check the supported countries list. If your country is not listed there, you can still use a VPN and enjoy the game, no problem. But in my opinion, if you live anywhere in Asia or nearby, you should be good to go with PUBG PC Lite. And downloading the game, it's going to be easy. So you click the download button, the launcher is installed on your computer. That's going to be a small file. You open the launcher, you agree to the terms and conditions, you give the location where you want to download the game, and you start downloading the game. The game is quite small, around 3 to 4 gigabytes, after installation, so it's not going to take up a lot of space, so don't worry. And yeah, it's easy to run as well. So now let's talk about what kind of specs you need to run PUBG PC Lite. So if you have an old enough laptop with maybe even integrated graphics, you have a good chance of running PUBG PC Lite. And also, PCs that are maybe 5 to 10 years old still have a very good chance of getting 60 FPS on PUBG PC Lite, or at least playable frame rates above 30, because it's optimized really well, and it works well even on low-end hardware. So they've compressed the game, the quality is still there, the graphics are still pretty good and better than mobile. But they've done their magic and made sure it works on even the lowest end of hardware. So even if you have like a Pentium, a Core 2 Quad, a Core 2 Duo processor with maybe those cheapo graphics cards like a GTX 610, 710, 730, even integrated graphics, if you have an AMD APU, again you're good to go. And you don't need a lot of RAM as well. 4 to 8 gigabytes should be sufficient, and hard drive space, as I said, again 2 to 4 gigabytes should be good to go. And once you actually turn the game on, you can log in using your VPN credentials, like the account you were using before. You can use everything that you had in your account, so your skins, your data, everything will be retained. So anything you've ever had in PUBG PC Lite on that account is going to be carried forward. And PUBG PC Lite takes a lot of its features from PUBG Mobile and PUBG PC, the main game. So for example, gun mechanics and recoil is kind of inspired by PUBG PC, the game. So it's going to be quite tough. It's not similar to mobile, so it's not going to be very easy. No one is a bot here, no one is a noob here anymore. Everyone knows what they're doing. So it's going to be quite a learning curve to actually get a hang of this game if you're coming from PUBG Mobile. If you're actually playing PUBG PC for some time and you want to move to PUBG PC Lite, you should feel right at home and the minute you actually turn on the game. Some features are also carried forward from PUBG Mobile, so auto reloading of guns, auto attachments. So yeah, if you have an attachment for some gun, it will be automatically done, you don't have to do it. And there's also directions, so if someone is shooting you in the game and you don't know where they are, it will be marked on the map, so it's not going to be very tough for you to actually find out where the bullet came from. So yeah, even if you don't have good headphones, you'll be good to go, no problem. And yeah, some other features that are taken from both the games are going to be good matchmaking. So you're not going to be matched with people that are way higher or way out of your skill level. So if you're just starting out, you'll be put against beginners as well. So people who've just downloaded the game, new players that don't have a big rank or anything. But again, you still can't get away from smurfing, or we don't know, maybe there are hacks for PUBG PC Lite as well. And one good tip to actually control recoil will be to pull down just like CSGO. So it's not going to be that complex. So take your time, learn the game and get good at it, and also have fun while playing it. And yeah, don't smurf or use hacks. Let other players also have a good experience and good time playing the game. And that's been it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. The link to download the game will be in the description down below, so check it out. Also like this video if it was helpful, and if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.